morning guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you a day in the life of van life. Right now Zulu is getting a bit restless, been sleeping all night, a really good girl, but she needs to go out for some air. We ended up at this place tonight, really close to the shore. No rain so far, which is always good when you're living in a tiny van. You're kind of dependent of the outdoor to make things work and dry stuff as you go, because things tend to get wet. Anyway, let's see what Benedicte is up to. Good morning, sunshine.
Morning. Just enjoying the view of the fjords for some minutes, and I'm going to get up.
We have this pretty nice and comfy mattress. Like half of it is filled with air and half of it is filled with foam.
I think this is a fourth or fifth mattress we have tried, and we're super happy with this one, so we're keeping it.
Yeah, this has been the best so far. It's really comfortable. But now I really need some coffee. I feel a bit sleepy yet, so cue the coffee.
Okay, so I'm up. And before we get started on breakfast and a nice cup of coffee, we usually pack down the bed so we can have full space here, so we can stand. Slide back the floor, take down the mattress, empty it for air. Need to pack the sleeping bags and take down the pillows, and yeah, I'll show you the routine. So I'm done with the bed, and this is how it turned out. So just empty the sleeping department. And you can see we have these thermal mats here, just for some extra isolation, and they can actually stay there when we take down the roof.
So there the front seat is reversed.
Yep.
Which makes for a nice social setup here. We have hidden away our table behind the front driving seat.
Yep.
And we did make a kind of a railing system here, which you hook up to these 2 points here, and we have a telescope leg, and it goes like that, and all of a sudden you have a bigger work surface, which is much needed. This is what we're up to next. My weapon of choice for making coffee is the AeroPress, and some fine coffee I got before we went out on this trip. Today's breakfast, we're gonna make some scrambled eggs and add some avocado. That's it. Breakfast is served.
It's looking so good.
So happy.
Pretty. Okay, so the car is ready for departure. We've had breakfast, we had coffee, we have brushed our teeth. The only thing that's missing is to pop down the roof, which I'm gonna do now. And then we're gonna get on the road.
So before we start driving, I just wanted to mention that we spend a lot of time planning our trip before we head out. And we have a like a schedule on where we want to be at what time, on which date. As you know by now, summer in Norway is unpredictable, and this plan is of course dynamic. And we always check the forecast before we drive 6-7 hours to one place. I think we found a new plan to circumnavigate the original one in order to have better conditions. So, no time to waste. Let's go.
Yay!
Sweet. To the left, to the left.
To the left. Luckily we have a dog that loves to drive and sleep in the car. Makes it a lot easier when on days like this when you have to cover long distances. Shocker that I found you here.
By the coffee machine.
Ooh!
One for you, one for me.
Svele
Must have.
on all Norwegian ferries.
Tell me about the temperature right now.
Pretending it's not cold.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
We have a 10-hour drive ahead of us. We are heading to the middle part of Norway, to the coast. We're gonna go on some islands, small islands there. And the forecast says it's gonna be sun, so we're following the sun. We also got a lot of like practical stuff needs to be done. We need to fuel, we need to wash the car, and we need to go for grocery shopping. We are covering ground, but we still have
A long time.
Next on the to-do list is to buy groceries because tomorrow is Sunday and stores are usually closed on Sundays in Norway. So we're gonna stock up and we need food and dinner and etc.
It's important that everybody gets a lunch break, including Zulu. Frozen meat, that's her favorite. Yum, yum, yum.
It's like Tetris. Trying to fit the impossible. I think we're almost there.
We always manage somehow.
Okay, so we're stocked up. Time to keep on driving. So we have parked up the van and we found a spot to grab a cup of coffee and get some lunch, which I think we need now. At least we need a break from all this driving and all this rain.
What's this place called, Benedicte?
This is Trondheim Brygge.
Pretty nice.
have finally arrived. Simon has been driving like a champ. It is now 11 o'clock. We're gonna cook some food because we're starving. It's gonna be a really late dinner, but yeah, sometimes that's how life on the road is. So Simon is just shooting some drone shots to show you this epic camp spot.
Yep.
And it's really cold, so we're gonna fire up the diesel heater and yeah, rig the car for the night. So I'm gonna show you how we do it.
I think I haven't shown you this before, but actually the lifting system for the pop roof doesn't work as intended. I'm not sure how to fix it because there's not many people around having knowledge about this kind of weird roof that we have. But in order to maximize headspace up top, if we are to sleep upstairs, I go around and I manually lift every 4 corners in order to get it as high as possible. And yeah, I'm just gonna do it properly now and gonna run inside because there's so many flies and mosquitoes here. It's madness. That's what you get when you're so close to the river, I guess. So we have established camp, put Sulu in her long line, leveled the van to the best that we were able to. Today's chef will be Master Chef Benedicte, and on today's menu will be tacos. It's a weekend, so it's a Norwegian tradition to have tacos.
And it's easy to make in the van.
Just wanna give a shout out to Rickard and Einar and the guys with the Volkswagen group. Hooked us up with some custom beer. That's pretty cool. And for dinner, the chef is getting sleepy, I can tell. Here are the ingredients: some avocado, tomato, spice mix, salsa, sour cream, lentils, some cheese,
Taco
tubs. So this will do. Really quick. We just fry up the lentils, have some spice mix on them, and chop up the veggies, and then we start making it into tacos. So really convenient when it's getting late.
Yeah, and it's perfect for like everyone. You could just add whatever you like. Simple, tasty, fast.
We always look forward to having tacos. So now dinner is served. It looks delicious, and we're here at campsite. I think that concludes the day for us.
Maybe not an average day, as we usually go a lot of hiking and other trips, but yeah, sometimes you need to just spend the day driving to get to new locations. So today was a day like that.
One of those, and the only thing that remains now for us is to rig the bed.
Yeah.
We can show that quickly, not that interesting, but then
it's like this morning in reverse.
Yeah, and then a new day tomorrow of driving to really pretty places. So I hope you liked this insight and got some behind the scenes of what it's like for us to live in Truck Norris.
Yeah.
And more videos will come, much more scenic ones than this one. But hey, now you know how it's like for us on the road.
Yeah.
So
See you the next one.
Thanks for tagging along.
Catch you next time.